Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I'm a foundation level student at Rehan School F at Campus Islamabad. And today I am sharing my short documentary topic, The Power of Kindness in Communities. Today we are going to talk about something simple but very powerful kindness. Our documentary is called The Power of Kindness in Communities. Kindness may seem like a simple action, but it has the power to change lives, bring people together, and make communities stronger. Let's discover how. Imagine living in a neighborhood where people smile at each other, help one another, and care about those in need. This is what kindness can create. Kindness does not always meaning giving money to or expensive gift something. Sometimes it is simple as saying good morning, helping an elderly neighbor carry groceries, or listening to a friend who is having a difficult day. Small acts of kindness can make a big difference. So, kindness creates trust between people. When people help each other, they feel safe and connected. They know they are not alone during difficult times. For example, if a family loses their home in a flood, neighbors often come together and to provide food, clothes, and shelter. During emergencies, communities become stronger because people choose kindness instead of ignoring the problem. This shows that caring for one another makes everyone strong. Kindness is also important in school. The student who welcome a new classmate can help them feel comfortable and confident. A teacher who encourages students with kind word and inspire them to believe in themselves. Even sharing note with a classmate or helping someone understand a lesson is an act of kindness. These simple actions create a positive learning environment where everyone feels respected. In the workplace, kindness improves teamwork when coworkers support each other, solve problem together, and appreciate one another efforts. Everyone become more productive and motivated. So communities around the world grow stronger through volunteer work. People donate food to families in need, clean parks, plant trees, and visit hospitals and support charities. These volunteers may never meet everyone they help, but their kindness improves everyone's lives. In conclusion, kindness is not one of the greatest gifts we can share. It does not require wealth, special skills, or perfect condition. All it takes is a caring heart and the willingness to help others. When people choose kindness, everyday communities become safer, happier, and more united. Never underestimate the power of a smile, a kind word, or a helping hand. Your small act of kindness could completely change someone's day or even their lives. Thank you so much for watching my documentary. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad Khuda.